Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the official desktop app of Claude AI on your Windows 11 or 10. So to download the desktop app, you just need to go to your browser and search for Claude AI download. Then this will be the first link, download Claude. Just click on it and you can see there's the option of download for Windows. So if you have Windows R64, you can download this. So just click on download for Windows and as you can see, it will start to download and it's already downloaded on my PC. So just go to the folder, double click to open the exe file, and now as you can see it's installing, which is only 223 MB. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds here. Now, as you can see, after downloading it will be automatically installed on your PC. You just have to click yes if it asks for any administration permission. Now let's just click get started and you can enter your email or continue with your Gmail account that you have logged in with your Claude AI. So I'm just going to click on continue with Google. You just need to select your Gmail account and just click on this open option. This will directly go to the Claude application, as you can see. So if you want to let Claude access your camera, you can click yes, but I'll just click no. And these are some settings if you want to use this as a shortcut or also the click icon in the menu bar. So I'll just let it default and click continue. And as you can see, it's already installed on my PC successfully. Now you can get to use this on your PC without going to your browser. You directly use this desktop app in your Windows PC. So if I just close it and go to my start menu, you can see in the recommended section here, I can just right click on it and pin to start. And now I can easily open my Claude AI desktop application. This is how you download and install Claude AI on your laptop. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.